PQ. Huh. Yes, that no, you have to find out. You have to find out. We cannot say they are equal. We show that. We show that it is not given they are equal. We have to find out all the length and then we have to show that they are equal. So PQ, we use distance formula x2 minus x1 6 minus 0 square plus 2 minus. No, my dear, where it is given it is a rectangle. It is not given a rectangle. Show that the points are the vertices of rectangle. It is not given rectangle. They are the vertices of rectangles. So these PQRS will be vertices of rectangle only when, right? No, you have to find out. So using distance formula, so that is 6 minus 0 square is 6 square 36 plus 2 minus minus 4 is 2 plus 4 6 square is 36. 36 plus 36 is 72. Now 72 is 6 root 2. 36 into 2. So PQ is 6 root 2 unit. PQ is 6 root 2 unit. So by using distance formula we find all this. PQ, now find QR. Find QR. Now we apply distance formula. 3 minus 6 square. 3 minus. My dear, you can find first all the 4 lengths. First you find all the 4 lengths and then you show that which two are equal. One and the same. 3 minus 6 square plus 5 minus 2 square. So that will be square root of 3 minus 6 square is 3 minus 3 square is 9 plus 5 minus 2 square is 3 square is 9. That is root 18. Root 18 is 3 root 2. 9 2s are 18. Take 3 outside, so QR is 3 root 2. QR is 3 root 2 unit. So we have found PQ, QR. Now we find RS. By using distance formula we find RS. So that is minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 square x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square minus 1 minus 5 square minus 1 minus 5 square. So that will be square root of minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 square is 36. Plus minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. So that is root 72. So root 72 RS is, now 72 you can write 36 into 2. Remember. So RS is 6 root 2 unit. RS is 6 root 2 unit. Now we have found PQ, QR, RS. Now we find SP or PS. Now we find PS. Yes. Now we find PS. To show that these are the vertices of rectangle. In rectangle, we show that the opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. Yes, diagonal also you have to find using distance formula. Diagonals also you have to find by using distance formula. Yes. Find out. Find out. 1 minute. Now we find PS. PS is square. All of you found out PS is minus 3 minus 0 square plus minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 square. So that is square root of minus 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9. So PS is 2 root 9. Sorry, 3 root 2. 3 root 2 unit. So now we, after finding all the 4 lengths, we show that which 2 lengths are equal. So we write PQ is 6 root 2. RS is equal to 6 root 2. So PQ is equal to RS is equal to 6 root 2 unit. Then QR is equal to PS is equal to 3 root 2 unit. So these two sides, opposite side, yes. Yes, diagonal also. For no. So far only we have shown that opposite sides are equal. Now we calculate the diagonal. Diagonals are PR and QS. The diagonal must be also equal. So now let us calculate diagonal PR. Let us calculate the diagonal PR. PR. So now 3 minus 0 square x2 minus x1 square plus 5 minus minus 4. 5 minus minus 4 square. So that will be 3. Yes, you can write 3 minus 0 square is 3 square plus 5 minus minus 4 is 9 square. Yes. So PR is, find out PR. हाँ 90, which you can write root 90, which you can write 3 root 10. No. Yes. Now find the other diagonal also. QS. So 1 minute. PR is 3 square is 9 plus 9 square is 81. So PR is root 90. 90 I can write 9 into 10. 9 I can take outside square root. So PR is 3 root 10. 3 root 10 unit. So one of the diagonal we have found PR, that is 3 root 10. Let us find the other diagonal QS. So QS is square root of 6 minus minus 3 square, 6 minus minus 3 square plus 2 minus minus 1 square. So 6 minus minus 3 is 6 plus 3 9 square. 2 minus minus 1 is 2 plus 1 3. 3 square, that is 81 plus 9, which is root 90. So QS is QS is root 90. PR and QS, they are the diagonals. PR and QS, they are the diagonals. So now we write QS is 3 root 2 unit. QS is 3 root 2 unit. Now PR and QS, 3 root 10. PR and QS, they are the diagonals. So we write PR is equal to QS is equal to 3 root 10 unit. So we have shown that the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are of equal length and the diagonals are also equal. So whenever the opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are equal, the given figure is a rectangle. So therefore we finally write points PQRS are the vertices of rectangle. Point PQRS are the vertices of rectangle. Rectangle PQRS. Because we have shown that for the given figure PQRS, the opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. Therefore the given Therefore the given figure. Now see here, before we move to this 13, let me solve 14 first. Because that is the question related to square. See, to show, here. To show that they are the vertices of rectangle, we show that opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. Now to show that they are the vertices of square, we show that all the 4 sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. Is it clear? Are you getting this? Yes. Only that 14 beginning part I will write. 14. Rest will be calculation. Just now we have calculated for rectangle. Wait. Let us first discuss this 14. No. Because just now. Okay, चलो. ठीक है चलो. Let us do this 13. prove that the points ABC are the vertices of isosceles right angle triangle. Find the find the area of the triangle. चलो ठीक है. 13. Prove that the points ABC. Prove that the point ABC. Draw this ABC. Draw this ABC. ABC. Triangle only. Now we don't know which angle is 90 degree. Is it clear? So what I will suggest you, instead of drawing this triangle in this way, we don't know which angle is 90 degree. So you draw the triangle in this way. ABC. ABC. Now the coordinates of A are 1, -3. Coordinates of B are -3, 0. And C are 4, 1. C is 4, 1. Yes. So these are the vertices given. Now prove that these are the vertices of isosceles right angle triangle. So first you prove that they are, first of all, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Then to prove that it is right angle isosceles triangle, we show that this triangle satisfies Pythagoras theorem. This triangle satisfies Pythagoras theorem. Means you are given 3 sides. So square of one side will be sum of the square of remaining 2 sides. That means Pythagoras theorem is verified, means it is right angle triangle. So first you show that it is isosceles. To show that it is isosceles, we show that any 2 sides are equal. So let us calculate AB. Let us calculate AB using distance formula. AB, so -3 -1 square plus 0 -3 square, 0 -3 square. So 3 -1 is -4 square plus 0 -3 is 3 square. So -4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So AB is 5 unit. My AB is 5 unit. Let us calculate BC. BC is square root of 4 -3 square, 4 -3 square plus 1 -0 square. So 4 -3 is 4 plus 3 is 7 square plus 1 square. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 1 is 50. Is root 50. Root 50 is pi root 2. 50 you can write 25 into 2. 25 you take outside, pi root 2. BC is pi root 2 unit. BC is pi root 2 unit. Now find AC. Now find AC. Find AC. Yes, find AC. Find AC. Yes, find AC. AC. AC we apply distance formula AC. 4 -1 square plus 1 -3 square. So that is 4 -1, 3 square is 9 plus 1 -3, 4 square is 16. So that is root 25, which is 5. So AC is 5 unit. AC is 5 unit. AC is 5 unit. So now if you see this, 1 minute. AB is 5, BC is 5 root 2 and AC is 5. So which 2 sides are equal? AB is equal to AC. Yes, AB is equal to AC. So we write AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC is equal to 5 unit. So for the given triangle ABC, its 2 sides are equal, AB and AC. Therefore, triangle ABC triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. No. Wait. It is not only that isosceles. It is isosceles right angle triangle. No. To show that it is isosceles right angle triangle. It is isosceles triangle, but yes, no, not area. Wait, no. This is wait, no. So far it is. See, isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal. But isosceles right angle triangle means that triangle will be isosceles, but one of its angle will be 90 degree. Now to show that a given triangle is 90 degree, we check whether Pythagoras theorem is verified. Now you have all the length. Wait, no. You have AB, BC and AC. Now we find out AB square plus AC square. Yes. So what is AB? AB is 5. So 5 square plus 5 square. AC is also 5. What is 5 square? 25 plus 25. That is 50. So AB square plus AC square is equal to 50. What is my 50? Yes, 50 is nothing but BC square. No, 50 is nothing but BC square. Root 50 is BC, no. Root 50 is BC, but so what is 50? BC square. So AB square plus AC square is BC square. That means this is BC is my hypotenuse. Are you getting? This BC is my hypotenuse. Are you getting? Because Pythagoras theorem is verified, no. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to B. Yes. Pythagoras theorem is verified. 7th standard, you have studied. Pythagoras theorem is verified. To show that the given triangle is right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem is verified. Therefore, triangle ABC is right angle triangle. 1 minute. No, we have verified Pythagoras. No, still it is left. It is Pythagoras theorem, because what is my diagonal? AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. We have found the length of AB, BC and AC. That means then it is not right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is right angle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle because my BC square. So BC is hypotenuse. So opposite angle is 90 degree. So angle A is 90 degree. So triangle ABC is right angle. Yes. Triangle ABC is right angle isosceles triangle at angle B. At angle B is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Because BC square, so BC is my hypotenuse. So the angle opposite to hypotenuse is right angle. So angle A is 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now it is asked, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Yes, wait. Now see here, for the given triangle, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is, so whenever it is right angle triangle, we can write half into base into height. Half into base into height, half into base is my AB, and height is AC. Half into AB, this is my base. Wherever the perpendicular meet, this is my base and this is my height. So half into AB. We are not interested in BC because BC is the hypotenuse. When we are calculating the area, we use the formula half into base into height. So this is my base where the perpendicular meet. This is my one of them. You can consider base, other as height, or you can consider this as base, this as height. No problem. So AB is 5 into 5. So that is 25 by 2, 12.5. 12.5 square unit. Area is 12.5 square unit. Area is 12.5 square unit. Yes, no problem. So what basically we have shown. Now 14th, I will just give you the hint what is required for square. To show that they are the vertices of square, we show that all the four sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. For rectangle, we show that opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. But for square, we show that all the four sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. So beginning part let me write, and then calculation part you will do. So 14, show that the points ABCD. Now 14, show that the points ABCD I did several times I am telling you there is no more difference between rectangle and square. Rectangle we show that opposite sides are equal, square we show that all the four sides are equal. Then second condition for rectangle and square they are same. Diagonals of rectangle as well as square must be equal. Yes, A is 5, 6, B is 1, 5, C is 2, 1 and D is wait. To show that, write on this beginning part. To show that points ABCD are the vertices of no, I'm just explaining. Are the vertices of rectangle ABCD are the vertices of square ABCD. We show that to show that they are the vertices of square, we show that all the four sides are equal. Means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All sides are equal. We show that all sides are equal using distance formula. Then second, the diagonals are also equal. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. So diagonals are equal condition. Diagonals are equal condition is given for rectangle as well as square. Is it clear? Then 15, show that the vertices of rhombus. Yes, show that they are the vertices of rhombus. So what are the properties of rhombus? All sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. So now 15th, here now 15th I am giving homework. 15th, let me write the beginning part. This is homework for the part. No, how it is 15. Let me write the question 15. Show that the are the vertices of rhombus. Have it? Yes, you have to find the diagonals. They are the vertices of rhombus. So first, show that the points are the vertices of rhombus. So you have to find AB, BC, AC. Find AB. Are you getting? How many points are given? AB is equal to BC. They are the vertices of rhombus. They are the vertices of rhombus. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now A is minus 3 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2. B is minus 5 comma minus 5, minus 5 comma minus 5. C is 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3, and D is 4 comma 4. Now the diagonals are BD. Wait, no, the diagonals are BD. Yes, now diagonals are BD and AC. See here, see the difference between rhombus. Now to show that ABCD are the vertices of rhombus, we show that all the sides are equal. All the four sides are equal, but the diagonals are unequal. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal, because when all the four sides are equal and the diagonals are equal, that rhombus becomes a square. Yes. So to show that these are the vertices of rhombus, we show that all the four sides are equal, but the diagonals are unequal. Because in rhombus, when the diagonals are equal, it becomes a square. So write down. Yes, I am writing. No, beginning part I will write. To show that, write first. To show that points ABCD are the vertices of rhombus. Are the vertices of rhombus. ABCD. We show that all four sides are equal, means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So that is all sides are equal. All sides are equal, but the diagonals are unequal. But the diagonals are not equal. So that is AC is not equal to BD. AC is not equal to BD. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are unequal. Because when the diagonals are equal in rhombus and all sides are equal, this rhombus will become a square. So further calculation part you will do. Now 16. Because you find by using distance formula you find what is AC, then by using distance formula you will find BD, and clearly you will see that the length of AC is different from the length of BD. By using distance formula we calculate. Yes. Homework. Further. No, wait. It is 2 minutes are there. Now that's now 16 will be 1 minute. Now today 16th everything we'll see. Okay, ठीक है. See you last lecture. See you. Yes. Bye. Yes. Bye.